Nothing more simple than this. Few clicks with your mouse and the money is yours. You just have to follow me closely in order to understand all of the steps so you can go and do it yourself. Making money just got way easier, it's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like it as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, first of all, first website, we need to connect to Latium.org in order to find a platform where you can earn all of this money. And this is basically a freelancing platform where you can come and sell your skills in any of these categories over here. So if you, for example, have some skills in video editing, so you can come and edit some videos and you can get money for that. Of course, if you know how to write articles, you can do that as well. But there are some jobs here which don't require any skill at all, and I'm gonna show you that later. But for now, I'm gonna show you one website which you can use in order to get money on this website. This will all be a little bit more understandable in the next few minutes, and I'm just gonna show you how. But first of all, we need to make an account here, and it is done really simply. Just click here on the join button and make yourself a new account via Google, Facebook, or Apple account, or you can do it manually by entering your email address in this box over here. Just make sure that it is valid and clicking on continue button. So basically this is freelancing website which is similar to Upwork or Fiverr.com, you know these, but here you can get paid via crypto as well, and that's what's so special about it. You can get a lot of work here, and from here you just want to click on this button switch to freelancer because you can hire as well, but we don't want to do that right now. We want to sell something, and as soon as you click on that, just click here on find projects and you will be served with all of these categories over here. Now today we will be covering one topic which is very interesting and is very much profitable because there are a lot of people looking for it, and it's gonna be easy because I have a software which will do everything for you here. So as soon as you land on these projects here, just click on this one, graphics and design, and here you will get a lot of these and you can start right away and do it yourself. All of these can be yours. You can look here that someone is paying $2,500 for 3D logo design, and logo design is what we're gonna cover today, guys. But for example, you can for start go on these cheaper ones. So as you can see, you can get $100 for simple logo design. But don't worry, you don't have to be a logo designer. In fact, you don't have to know anything about logo designing. You will just follow my steps and I will lead you through everything, and in the end you will be able to make some logos for free and, for example, earn these $200 for yourself without doing anything. You will just click with your mouse, you will follow my advice, and you will be profitable. You will make so much money here, so let's get started. And this is called Free Logo Design. It is over at freelogodesign.org. And here, as you can see, you can create your own logo for free in just a few minutes. Design your logo with the free logo design logo maker. This is superb option for ourselves, guys, because this is free. You don't have to pay nothing for this, and they will make a logo just as you can see it here. They will make a logo for yourself if you just enter in your name of the company or what you need for that purpose, and they will pack everything. They will make it look nice, and you will just download it onto your computer, guys. So you will just browse the jobs on this website, Latium.org, and for example, if you click on this job, it will be more clear to you that this guy wants to make a logo for his coffee business. So you're just gonna read the description of this job so you know what logo this guy is asking for. So for example, this one wants something for his coffee business. You're just gonna go back to freelogodesign.org, and for start, you gotta make yourself a new account. And that's simply done by clicking here on sign up. Complete this simple information about yourself, and that's it. Now, once you log into this, you will see that you can create your own logo. Just click on this button over here, enter your company name, and that's what you need to find out. So you will go back to Latium.org and you will search from this man a company name. So you will place a bid over here, and I suggest if it says $25 to $100, I suggest that you put like $80 or $90 at least, so this guy will approve your bid, and then you will ask what is your company name? You already know that it's something like coffee, something related to coffee, but you can go ahead and make something like this, because guys, if you show him that you already started to do this job, it will be easier for him to accept your bid, and he will see that you are the right person for this job, that you are reliable, so he will choose you. And you can see here that you get instantly thousands of these options, guys. You have a lot of these templates, and here on the left side you also have these categories, and this is all sorted out. So for coffee business, there is something like this: food and drink. You simply click on that, and then it's gonna give you all of these templates which are related to food and drink, and that's what that coffee maker needs. He needs something like this, and Free Logo Design can make your day raw, guys. They can make you a lot of money, and this is all free, guys. Whichever one you choose, it is free for you. So for example, I like this one. This reminds me of Starbucks. You will enter in it, and now you can edit this in whichever way you want. So for example, if a customer says, I want it to be yellow, you can just change this color to yellow, this text, this everything. You can just do it for free, and as soon as you are done with it, you just click on the download button over here and send it to your customer. It is very easy to do, very simple, guys, and it only takes some of your free time, and it doesn't take much time either. And once you are satisfied with the amount of money that you have earned on Laysham.org, now you can go here to your wallet, and here you will see that you can exchange your currency in whichever you want. So for example, you can have US dollars, you can have this basic attention token, you can change it to Bitcoin. Just click on this transfer button over here and it will be changed immediately, guys. So if you, for example, like Ethereum, you can do that as well, or any of these other cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of them here, so a lot of options. There is something for everyone here, so whichever one you want, you can get it here, because Laysham.org got this wallet where you can exchange everything free of fees, and that's very important, guys. And now all you have to do is to repeat this same process. So if you go on Find Projects and click on Graphics Design as well, you will see that there are a lot of these jobs. But if you don't want to bother with this, if you don't want to use this free logo design at all, you can just go here and click on Find Projects, and then there is certain category over here on the end which says Other. So click on that, and you will here see that there are a lot of jobs which are related to anything. So if you don't have any skill, you can just come here and do these surveys, as you can see, for $500. That's a lot of money for surveys, guys. A lot of money can be made on here, and just look at this. If you know to type on a keyboard, you can get yourself $100 in Bitcoin, guys, for just typing someone's letter. Now how cool is that, guys? $100 for typing. There are some usability testing jobs as well, so you will test certain apps, certain websites, so whatever you guys want. As you can see here, you can just make a video with your phone and you can earn money for that. How crazy actually is this? I highly suggest you guys that you come here and choose these options, choose for yourself, take some action, guys, work hard on it, and I'll catch you later.